I would like to acknowledge the Yoruba people's right. We thank our Heavenly Father for delivering us from evil. Moses in wala ye puriye push lara pura fera yumanaya yenu peku Jesus. Prarupukana yumana Naravura fera yumanaya Naravura fera yumanaya
Australians who live in the land on which this event is tonight. And pay my respects to the elders, both past and present. Thank you all for coming tonight.